Hey everybody, this is Blake Morrow with Traders Summit, and with me today is Stelios Kontogulis from Traders Summit, and we have the one and only Marc Faber, editor and publisher of the Gloom, Boom, and Doom Report. Marc, I'm such a big fan, and I know Stelios is as well. We're so glad to have you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Marc, I appreciate all your commentary on the bond market and rates and inflation. But I want to shift gears a little bit to cryptocurrencies because that's obviously been where the action's been at in the markets. Everybody's talking about crypto, and I'm sure you have an opinion about A, cryptos, B, have they taken the mantle from gold and silver and other precious metals, or how's their relationship towards, or is it the same or is it even different? And what's your view on the cryptocurrency market in general?
Well, what you said is, of course, absolutely correct. And the Fed geniuses, they never thought for a minute in the last 20 years that of all the money they print, most ends up in cryptocurrency speculation. Now, if cryptos had a real economic impact, I would say, okay, it helps the economy in one way or the other, but this is not yet the case. In fact, the energy consumption is so high that it's rather negative for the economy than positive. But anyway, it's interesting that you bring up the point that the money focuses on cryptocurrencies, which I agree. It focuses on GameStop, COS, AMC, and other speculative meme stocks in America, and on cryptos. Now, we have among cryptos Bitcoins, and Bitcoins, as we all know, the supply is limited to around 22 million coins, and it won't go up. So in the long run, I suppose that Bitcoins should go up. Now, the question is, we may say the supply of Bitcoin is, the total supply is, say, 22 million. So we have Picasso paintings. We know we have maybe 500 Picasso paintings in the world. I don't know whether more or less. But it's a constant figure whereby there is some wear and tear, because from time to time, one Picasso burns in a house fire or in a museum fire and so forth. But the supply is fixed. But what is not fixed is how many Rothkos will come to the market and how many other painters will sell their wear in the marketplace. So in other words, it's like Bitcoin, the supply is limited, but the number of competing cryptos is not limited.
Yeah, there are 5,000, right?
I assume, we have USB ports. This is a standard worldwide. You can go to Japan, you can plug in a USB port, you can go to Latin America, America, and Europe. That works. Also, most plugs, they nowadays are quite standardized. Of course, the US has still a different system, but in general, it's standardized. And I think the standard of cryptos will be Bitcoin, could be, but we are not sure. We're not sure about that.